Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we are going to learn a new concept that is about our country, India, in module 7. India is a large and diverse country situated in the continent of Asia. While explaining the world map, I have shown children our continent, that is Asia, and where India is situated in Asia, and also told that Asia is the largest continent. Delhi is its capital city. Delhi is the capital of India. India is the 7th largest and 2nd most populated country in the world. A large portion of India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. Children has learnt what is meant by bay. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea in the south. We have a rich culture with a variety of festivals, dance forms and languages. We also find many beautiful and ancient monuments across India. We shall learn more about India with a puzzle in our lab. This is map of India, the pegboard. Children could have learnt the states in India using this pegboard. Just like holding it and placing on the control map, they could have learned that this is Jammu and Kashmir. In the same way, Karnataka, our state. They could have learnt each and every state of India. We shall name all the states of India once. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa, the smallest state in India, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Karnataka is our state. We live in Karnataka. After knowing the names of all states in India, let us move on to the activities in textbook. In cognitive workbook, the same India map with located states name has been given. Kindly, the children who are not attending the classes physically, dear parents, kindly help them to read the names of all the states in India. Now let us move on to the activities regarding the same in cognitive workbook, page number 82. We have to color the states on the India map based on their outlines. India map has been given and few states are given as given. We have to locate or map the state in India map. First one has been done for us. It is Gujarat. The second state given is West Bengal. It is located here. Help your child to color it. You can use the color pencils, not the crayons, because the states given are too small. The third state shown is Arunachal Pradesh. Uttarakhand, Karnataka, our state, and Madhya Pradesh. Help your children to locate it and color it. Then we have few questions to answer. This state is the north of Rajasthan and starts with H. Let us move on to the map. The state shown is north to the Rajasthan and it starts from letter H. It is Haryana. So we shall write Haryana here. This state is to the south of Maharashtra and starts with K. It is Karnataka. This state is to the east of Jharkhand and starts with W. It is West Bengal. This state is to the west of Madhya Pradesh and starts with G. It is Gujarat. You can take the help of hint box given to complete the activity. Now let us move on to page number 83, where we have an activity to color as instructed. We have few instructions here. To color the largest state in yellow. The largest state in India is Rajasthan. Color Rajasthan state in yellow. Color the smallest state in green. The smallest state in India is Goa. Color it in green. Color two states that are in the east of India in pink. This is the east portion. You can select any two states and color it in pink. Color two states that are in the south of India in blue. This portion is our south. You can select any two states and color it in blue. Color the Indian islands in brown. Indian islands are Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. It has been shown in the map. Color them with brown color. Dear parents, for the children who are attending the classes physically, the concept has been taught in the school itself. Those who are not attending the classes physically, dear parents, kindly take care of your children to learn the concept. Then we have an assignment in page number 47 in cognitive practice book to color as instructed. Color the largest state in yellow. It is Rajasthan, as I have shown you earlier in the cognitive workbook. Color the smallest state in green. It is Goa. Color the state that starts with letter M in orange. The states which starts with letter M is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Manipur. Color them with orange color. Color two states that are in the east of India. This is the eastern part of India. You can select any two states and color it. Color two states that are in the south of India. This is our south portion. You can select any two states and color it. Dear parents, kindly help your children to complete the assignment given in page number 47. Thank you.